Have you ever wondered why some places seem to be booming with people while others feel like ghost towns? Well, the United States is full of both. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the top 10 states that are shrinking faster than a woolen sweater in a dryer. Number 10. California. California used to be the land of opportunity, where dreams were made of gold. Or maybe that was Hollywood. But these days, the dream seems more like a nightmare for many residents. The cost of living in California is about as out of control as a surfer riding a rogue wave. In 2023 alone, nearly 386,965 people left the state, representing a population drop of around 0.2% compared to 2022. Housing, groceries, you name it, everything is crazy expensive. The median house price in California is a whopping $819,900, a staggering $400,000 more than the US median. On top of that, infrastructure is crumbling, and even celebrities are fleeing the state. So, if you're thinking of moving to California, this might be your sign to hit the brakes. Number 9. Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania used to be a hub for natural resources, but its reputation is fading faster than a disco ball's shine. High taxes and a shaky economy are driving people out like flies from a picnic. Unemployment is on the rise, with a worrying 7.4% rate, especially in places like the Appalachian Mountains and the northern parts of the state. Salaries just don't cut it anymore, leaving many people struggling to make ends meet. The average median income in Pennsylvania is only $61,744, which falls below the national average. Pennsylvania might be a beautiful state, but it's not exactly the land of opportunity anymore. Number 8. Oregon boasts stunning scenery, but beauty isn't everything. Unfortunately, the state's sky-high prices are making it difficult for people to afford even a basic lifestyle. Housing is a major burden, with only 25% of the population being able to afford to buy a new home. On top of that, groceries and transportation costs are also significantly higher than the national average. Oregon also has some unique policies that aren't sitting well with everyone. Add that to the lack of job opportunities, and it's no wonder people are heading to Texas or other states with a more affordable price tag. Between 2021 and 2022, Oregon saw a population decline of roughly 0.38%, with many residents seeking a more financially secure future. Number 7. Rhode Island. Rhode Island, the tiniest state in the US, is also making a name for itself on the shrinking states list. Just like many other places on this countdown, affordability is a major issue. The median house price in Rhode Island is a staggering $462,000, which is 133% higher than the national average. This translates to a house costing about 30 times the average person's income in the state. On top of that, the state's economy isn't exactly booming, making it tough to start a small business. So, unless you're a millionaire looking for a quick vacation home, Rhode Island might not be the best choice. The state witnessed a population decline of 0.3% between 2021 and 2022. Number 6. Mississippi. While the rest of the world seems to be rocketing towards the future, Mississippi feels like it's stuck in slow motion. The state lacks essential facilities, technology, and resources. But the biggest turnoff for many residents is the low income rates. Mississippi has one of the highest poverty rates in the country, at a staggering 19.4%. Wages just don't provide a decent standard of living, with the average median income for a family of 4 people being a meager $74,000. Schools and healthcare are also lacking, making it even harder for families to get ahead. Mississippi recently saw a population decline of 0.32%, with roughly 9,500 people leaving the state in search of better opportunities. Number 5. Hawaii, a picture-perfect vacation destination, isn't so picture-perfect for its residents anymore. The state holds the unfortunate title of having the highest cost of living in the entire country. With a living cost index of a staggering 179 compared to the US average of 100, everything from groceries to healthcare comes at a premium. Housing takes the cake, with a median house price of a mind-blowing $700,000, while the average income sits around $83,200. This translates to a significant portion of residents spending a massive chunk of their income just on putting a roof over their heads. Sadly, in recent years, Hawaii has seen a population decline of 0.48%, with roughly 7,000 people leaving the Aloha state in search of a more affordable lifestyle. Number 4. Louisiana, known for its vibrant culture and Mardi Gras celebrations, is facing a different kind of party, an exodus of residents. The state's biggest woe is a lack of job opportunities, leading to high unemployment rates. This, coupled with a struggling economy since 2010, has left many Louisianans feeling stuck. Poverty is another major concern, with a rate of 19.6%, meaning nearly 1 in 5 people live below the poverty line. This number has been steadily increasing, further adding to the frustration of residents. Louisiana saw a population decline of a worrying 0.8% in recent years, with roughly 37,000 people leaving the state. With limited job prospects and a high poverty rate, Louisiana might not be the easiest place to make a living. Number 3. West Virginia, nicknamed the Mountain State, offers stunning natural beauty. However, that beauty isn't enough to keep residents from packing up and moving on. While the state boasts the lowest cost of living on this list, it comes at a cost: a lack of job opportunities. West Virginia is ranked as the 4th worst state for economic opportunity, leaving many young people feeling trapped. Despite the low cost of living, the poverty rate in West Virginia remains high at 16.8%. Limited access to quality schools and education further disadvantages residents. In recent years, West Virginia has seen a population decline of a significant 0.84%, with roughly 10,000 people leaving the state in search of better job prospects and a brighter future. Number 2. Illinois, home to the iconic city of Chicago, is facing a major population decline. The state lost a staggering 0.82% of its population in recent years, translating to a whopping 104,000 people leaving Illinois. Chicago, the cultural heart of the state, is a major contributor to this decline. High taxes and an expensive lifestyle are driving residents away, with Chicago having the second highest property tax rates in the US. The state's weak economy since the pandemic hasn't helped either, making it difficult for many to make ends meet. While Illinois might have a rich cultural heritage, the high cost of living and struggling economy are making it a less attractive place to call home. Number 1. New York. New York, the Empire State, often seen as a symbol of opportunity and progress, is facing a population exodus of historic proportions. The state holds the dubious honor of having the biggest population decline on this list, with a loss of 0.91%, or roughly 80,000 people between 2021 and 2022. The main culprit? The state's sky-high taxes. New York has the highest total tax burden in the entire country, at a staggering 12.47%. On top of that, the cost of living is astronomical, with an overall living cost index of 125. Housing is particularly outrageous, with a median house price of a jaw-dropping $819,900, over 4 times the national median. While many young professionals might be drawn to the remote work opportunities New York offers, the sheer cost of living is forcing even them to reconsider. New York City, a major economic hub, is experiencing a significant decline in its workforce as people opt for remote opportunities in more affordable locations. The decline of these states is a complex issue with no easy answers. However, by understanding the causes and potential consequences, we can work towards solutions that benefit both these states and the nation as a whole. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.